When people say, let's grab a coffee, what they're really saying is, let's talk. I need to talk to you. I need to connect. Happy Products has a line of proprietary coffee products, such as ready-to-drink coffee. We have whole bean. We have coffee pods. Happy has several distribution channels, including shipments directly to retailers. We work with several national distributors. I worked at a prior startup. We used a small accounting software from the beginning, which was fine until we started to scale rapidly. We literally broke the system. The file size doubled overnight. We couldn't make transactions. It's kind of a big deal. So luckily, we were halfway along with our NetSuite implementation. I called an emergency meeting. We went live over the weekend, didn't miss shipping a single customer. From that day on, I knew NetSuite would be the right platform for us. So when we started Happy Coffee, we decided we were going to use NetSuite from day zero. The first functionality we implemented with NetSuite is work orders and assemblies. What that lets us do is have a detailed approach to how we handle our cost accounting so that we can show our bill of materials broken out by all of the things that come into our coffee. So this functionality lets us keep track of our inventory by location and have all of our costs reflected appropriately. The customization lets us look at our customers and our business flow in a way that really optimizes with how we run our businesses. We recently implemented NetSuite's AI Connector Service, and it's pretty incredible what we're able to do, and we're just getting started. We tried creating some ad hoc reports, looking at gross margin by product, by retailer, and we found that we can send that to our management team, even if they don't have NetSuite, and they can still play with the results that came out of the NetSuite database. Since we started using NetSuite, the days to close the books has been reduced by half. If we weren't using NetSuite, I think we'd have to have double the number of employees in our accounting department to be able to get the same level of work accomplished. We can run lean, we can run efficient, and we can just get the job done. Our top priorities at Happy are spreading the joy, sharing our coffee with as many people as possible, because frankly, it's seriously delicious. NetSuite enables us to accomplish this by keeping track of our finances and letting us know how much of our money we can reinvest in marketing so that we could spread the happy message.